Chapter 16. World-famous dancers. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, the king of pop, revolutionized music and dance with his iconic moves like the moonwalk. His electrifying performances and groundbreaking music videos set new standards in the entertainment industry. With a career spanning decades, he remains one of the most influential artists in history. Madhuri Dixit. Madhuri Dixit, the Dhak Dhak girl of Bollywood, is known for her graceful and expressive dance performances. Trained in Kathak, she seamlessly blends classical and contemporary styles in her iconic songs. Her charm and versatility have made her one of the most celebrated actresses and dancers in Indian cinema. Martha Graham. Martha Graham was a pioneer of modern dance, revolutionizing the art form with her expressive and dramatic movements. She developed the Graham technique, which emphasized contraction and release, influencing generations of dancers. Her contributions reshaped contemporary dance and established her as a legend in the field. Anna Pavlova. Anna Pavlova was a renowned Russian ballerina, best known for her performance in The Dying Swan. She played a crucial role in popularizing ballet worldwide, making it more accessible beyond Russia. Her dedication and passion for dance left an everlasting impact on the ballet world. Fred Astaire. Fred Astaire was an iconic American dancer, singer, and actor, celebrated for his smooth and effortless dance style. His elegant performances, often alongside Ginger Rogers, set the gold standard for dance in Hollywood musicals. His influence on choreography and film dance remains unmatched. Mikhail Baryshnikov. Mikhail Baryshnikov is one of the greatest ballet dancers of all time, known for his incredible technique and athleticism. Originally from the Soviet Union, he later defected to the West and became a major star in American ballet. His contributions to both classical and contemporary dance are legendary. Prabhu Deva. Prabhu Deva, often called the Indian Michael Jackson, is known for his unmatched energy and versatility in dance. Excelling in various styles, including hip-hop and classical Indian dance, he has choreographed and performed in numerous Bollywood and South Indian films. His innovative moves continue to inspire dancers across generations. Justin Randall Timberlake. Justin Timberlake is a multi-talented performer known for his smooth dance moves and electrifying stage presence. From his early days in NSYNC to his successful solo career, he has consistently showcased his dynamic dance skills. His fusion of pop, R&B, and hip-hop styles has made him a top entertainer. Madonna. Madonna, the queen of pop, is known for her bold performances and trend-setting dance routines. She has constantly reinvented herself, incorporating various dance styles in her music videos and stage shows. Her influence on pop culture and dance remains unparalleled, inspiring generations of artists.